The ceasefire understanding may be on, but our forces are always on an alert, keeping a close watch on our untrustworthy neighbor. One of the equipments that serves as the first line of defense for India is what you see on your screens, the L-70 Bofors gun. This is a ground-based anti-aircraft gun meant to shoot down the enemy drones or aircraft. During Operation Sindoor, the L-70 was deployed in forward areas to protect key assets. My colleague Tejashree gets you a sneak peek of the L-70 Bofors guns from up close.
Akashe Shatru Chahi. That means kill the enemy in the sky. And that's what our air defense system has been doing. Because offense is the best defense, it's been said. The air defense system of India during Operation Sindoor not just detected the drones, but shot them down, and also the aircrafts of the Pakistan as well. But behind me is the L-70 Bofors gun. That's the Army's eye in the sky, whether it's a drone trying to slip past the border or a fighter jet. This particular L-70 shots it down, because now in fact we have been seeing that the parameters of wars have changed. Pakistan and its cowardly attack have been sending number of drones to India and tried to attempt an attack in several parts. But this particular L-70 Bofors gun had shot all those drones down, the aircrafts down, and have given a befitting reply to our enemy. And let me tell you that this particular L-70 Bofors gun that you're watching on your television screens right now, right away, remember that not only during Operation Sindoor, but they were also used during the war of 1971, during 1999 as well. So here, in fact, you can see in the visuals that how these L-70 Bofors gun are completely well equipped and are all ready to shoot down the enemy up above in the sky. We'll get to know about the details, that not the operational details definitely, but what the main purpose is and how did it operate during Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor के वक्त सर कैसे इसे ऑपरेट किया गया था और किस तरह से पाकिस्तान के जितने भी ड्रोन्स आए थे, एयरक्राफ्ट्स थे, उनको मार गिराने में इसने सहायता की।
जी मैम नमस्कार, जय हिंद। ये गन सिस्टम बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव गन सिस्टम है। इसका रेट ऑफ फायर बहुत ही हाई है और इसका लॉन्ग रेंज होने के कारण टारगेट को इंगेज करने में ये सक्षम है। दिन हो या रात हो, इस गन का मुख्य भूमिका में ये अपने दुश्मन के भेजे हुए एयर टारगेट, ड्रोन्स या एयरक्राफ्ट को दोनों को डिस्ट्रॉय करने में सक्षम है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान दुश्मन के भेजे गए ड्रोन, एयर टारगेट को हमने इस गन ने बहुत भूमिका निभाई, जिसमें हमने दुश्मन के टारगेट को बर्बाद करने में महारत हासिल की। धन्यवाद।
Sudhel, that's the frontline weapon that's used to bring down the enemy from the sky. And as in fact the officer was mentioning that how not just in the daytime but at the night time also it helps very well to detect the drone and make a precise attack at the night as well. And that's what our air defense system has been doing. We saw that how several drones, the drones that Pakistan had sent, the Turkish drones, the Chinese drones, all were shot down within minutes over here, say it be in a Jammu or any other district nearby or in Kashmir as well. So that's the, in fact, that's why it is called as the Army's eye in the sky. That's the L-70, and that's what, in fact, it has been doing in Operation Sindoor and in the past wars as well. So that's definitely an old warhorse for Indian Army. With video journalist Amit, this is Tejashree for Times Now.